a full pull out of Phil. Nice round of applause. Nice trial. Lots of good smoke. That's what we enjoy. We have a green flag. Todd Kendall out of New Philadelphia. Let's see what you can do, Todd. Give her head, buddy. Well, that could be our best pull yet in this category. Rocco Mazzuso's got the green flag. Giving her some gas, getting ready to let her rip. Let's see what happens here. Stand by. Hey, how about that? 266 feet, 1 inch, 0.56 for Rocco Mazzuso. Joe Cronklington out.
Full pull.
How about
Almost.
that? Finally, a nice round of applause for butchering your name. Hopefully that'll bring a good luck here at the Portage County Fair this year. Out of Waynesburg, Ohio. Yeah, that's some action. That's what we're looking for. Let's get it on with our next driver. See what we can do. How about that? Mike Trance out of Kent, Ohio in that John Deere 4255. Mike. There you go. There's some action. Let's take a look, see how we did there. 305 feet, 7. Opportunity to be a winner. Nice round of applause for Michael. 390.
Don't picture that.
Osborne.
John Osborne in that 034. 248.60. 248 feet, .60.
Yeah, come on now. Oh yeah, we're watching the trucks now.
Come on, Chevy.
Oh, well, because the trucks don't make as much noise as the tractors.
Joey Adelman